Third exercise. Put your hands towards your heart. From there, use your heart to ray out towards left and right. Become as big as they were. Try to touch the periphery, the whole surrounding world. And then slowly stream forward with the feeling of love. Embracing everything, touching everything what is there. Return to your center with the so-called E gesture, crossing your arms, protecting yourself. Returning to yourself, feeling your heels on the floor. And from there, heels on the floor, you get energy which makes you big from within. Return to the center. Love. And stream. Let it stream for a while without falling forward, but pulled forward. And return to yourself. And now I would ask you, remember the feeling of love and let it bring you into the center again. Let you be brought a little bit forward. That you are still grounded, the heels still are grounded in the earth, but you're in contact with the world around you. Love. E. And let you bring toward the center. Don't do it yourself. Just the memory of the love brings you forward. Then let's do it 2 more times, that we do the E gesture, the big gesture of love. And then don't pull in, just let go and create the E from within. And center. Love, E. And the last time, love, E, love, E. And good. Just short pause, listening to the body.